Hello, kids! Welcome to Crum Educational TV. In our previous video, we learned about the introduction to subject-verb agreement, the 5 rules. And now, we will talk about the additional 6 rules of subject-verb agreement. It includes, first, a pair is a singular noun and takes as a singular verb. Before that, we will review about what is subject-verb agreement. It is important to know the subject-verb agreement to make a sentence grammatically correct. A verb must agree with its subject in number. Always remember that when singular subject, it requires singular verb, and plural subject required plural verb. Now let's have an example. Basketball rolls across the floor. The word basketball is a singular noun and the rules is a singular verb in the sentence. Basketball rolls across the floor. Another example is basketballs roll across the floor. The basketballs with S is a plural subject and the word rule is a plural verb. Now, let's proceed to the 6th rule. A pair is a singular noun and takes as a singular verb. For example, that old pair of jeans has treated me well. The word pair is a singular noun and it uses a singular verb, the word has. The word has is a singular verb in the sentence. Now let's have another example. So a pair of slippers takes a singular verb and slippers take a plural verb. Non-native English speakers sometimes have difficulty knowing whether to use a singular or plural verb with some nouns. For instance, it seems odd to use a singular verb with a pair of when we're obviously talking about two things, two pair of shoes, but then sometimes we're talking about two things that are joined, such as a pair of trousers. How confusing is that? Now, in this example, we use pair of for two items that are used together, pair of gloves, or joined together, a pair of glasses. Use the singular verb with pair of. The example is, this pair of slippers is mine. So the pair of is the word singular noun and the slippers is the singular verb used in a sentence. But these slippers are mine uses a plural verb. Now let's proceed to the number 7 rule. Plural form subjects are often singular when presented as a title. For example, physics is an essential subject. The word physics is a plural form subjects and often used singular when presented as a title. So as you remember, physics is a name or the title of the book. So in this sentence, physics uses as plural subjects and often uses as singular. Now, in order for you to be mindful about the plural form subjects, these are the words you can use: economics, civics, mathematics, news, ethics, and measles. That are the plural form subject that can be used as singular when presented as a title. Number 8 rule. Gerunds often function as singular nouns and they take singular verbs. For example, swimming was the sport that taught me how to win. The word swimming is a gerund and the word sport is a singular verb used in the sentence to describe the gerund as a singular nouns. We use sport to refer any one kind of a sport. So we refer to a swimming. Another example, Reading was the skill that taught me how to speak fluently. Reading is the gerund, and skill is the singular verb used in the sentence. Let's proceed to number 9. The phrase one of the plural noun who and that requires a singular verb. For example, Mr. Lee is one of the teachers who coaches sports after school. Who, it's the coaches, and the singular verb used in the sentence is the one. Mr. Lee is one of the teachers who coaches sports after school. Another example, one of the dogs is wagging its tail. The word one of the plural noun who is the dogs, and the singular verb used in the sentence is the word one. Alright, let's proceed to last rule. They is a third person pronoun that can be both singular and plural. Look at the example. When a person talks too much, they learn little. So the word little is used as a third person pronoun in the sentence, and you can use it singular or plural. Another example. If anybody wants their admission fee back, they can get it at the door. The word they is a third person pronoun, and they uses the word wants as a plural verb in the sentence. Remember that the word they, you can use it both singular or plural. I hope that you understand something. Always remember that verbs must always agree with the subject in both number, singular or plural, and person, first, second, or third. This type of agreement helps to ensure that your paper will be accurate, clear, and stylistically correct. I hope that you understand something about this video, and thank you for listening. Goodbye.